I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to require a subscriber to be manually approved before they can actually be an active subscriber on your list. So as you can see, I'm logged into Mailing Boss, and I'm going to go to Lists and then click the word Lists. And I'm going to work with Subscriber List B, and I can choose to do List Mode or Grid View. And under Subscriber List B, I'm going to go all the way over to the right-hand side where the icons are, and I'm going to choose the pencil icon, which allows me to update the subscriber list. I can also do this in List View. I'm going to choose Subscriber List B, choose the pencil icon to update. I'm going to click that icon. That takes me to the area where I can update my subscriber list, and on the blue buttons at the bottom, I'm going to click Advanced. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to take a look at this area right here. This allows me to set the subscription required approval to yes or no. If I choose no, then once the person is either confirmed by double opt-in or they subscribed with a single opt-in, they will be a confirmed member of your list. If I set it to yes, your subscriber will require an approval before they can be confirmed as a subscriber to your list. Once you choose yes or no, whichever one you choose, go to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now this is what it'll look like when you have a subscriber that needs approval. So I'm going to go to Lists and then choose the word List. I'll click on that. And here's my subscriber list B. And I'm going to click on the subscriber icon. And we're going to take a look at our subscribers and what it looks like when they need to be approved. So if you'll take a look right here, this person still needs to be approved in the system. So their status is unapproved. If you want to find all of those that are unapproved right away, right here where it says Choose, just click it and it'll give you a list of all the things you can filter by. You can filter by unapproved, so click that, and it will show you everyone that needs to be approved to be a confirmed member of your list. You can then go to click on the unique ID, and right here you can choose Confirm Status and then Save Changes. And when I go back to look at that list, you'll see that this person is now confirmed. And if you have an email sequence in there, they'll start receiving those emails. So that's how you set a subscriber list to have all subscribers approved before they can be confirmed members of your subscriber list.